Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for those that have been asking me how to verify what version of Windows 10 you have. This is a common problem because Windows 10 having many updates. When I post a video of some of the features you can check out, a lot of people complain, say, well, that feature is not available. It's not on my machine. I don't know why. One of the main things right now is the dark themed file explorer, and a lot of people saying, well, it's not available, and I updated. Well, you're maybe not updated to 1809. That's a problem. So there are different versions of Windows. Of course, the latest available version is 1809, which is the October 2018 update. How to verify if you're there or not? Simply go to the Cortana search box on the bottom left. Type WinVer, Windows version. Here, click the WinVer command, and it's going to pop up with version number. So you should be at 1809. That's the latest. If you're not at the latest, you're probably, as the majority of people are still there, 1803. That is the April 2018 update. If you're on 1803, don't search for a dark mode file explorer. It doesn't exist. And you would see that here you're on 17134 rather than 17763. So this is how you can check out what version you are at. And if you're wondering why you're not at 1809, not everybody's getting it. They're really pushing it very slowly to make sure everything's all right now. So it's eventually going to show up. Just don't panic. It's, going to arrive at some point on your PC. So once again, to verify what version of Windows you've got, simply go to the search box, type WinVer for Windows version, and here you should see what version you have. The majority of people are still on 1803, 17134. Some of you will be on 1809, 17763, and possibly some of you, but not a lot of you, could be at 1709, I believe. So that is a possibility. If you are at an older version, well, start thinking about maybe moving ahead to something a little more recent, because there's a 18-month of possibility in each version of Windows. So you're slowly going to be there at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.